In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a design email in Mautic. By the end, you'll know how to log in, choose the right email type, design your message with the builder, and set it up for the right audience. Start by opening your Mautic login page and signing in with your account credentials, then click Login. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and head to Channels. Under Channels, select Emails to view your email library. This is where all your designed messages live and where you'll create new ones. Click New to start a fresh email. Mautic will ask you to choose the email type. Pick Segment Email if you're sending a one-time broadcast to a defined audience segment. Choose Template Email if you plan to use the message inside automations and campaigns. If you're not sure, think about whether the email is going out now to a list or whether you'll reuse it as part of a workflow later. Next, select a starting point. You can choose one of the built-in templates for a quick, polished layout, or create from scratch if you want full control. Either way, you can open the builder right away or come back to it later. Using a template is great for keeping branding consistent and saving time. In the builder, you can drag and drop elements like text blocks, images, and buttons. Replace placeholder content with your own copy, add images that reflect your brand, and set button links to your landing pages. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, use descriptive button labels, and make sure images have alt text for accessibility. It's also wise to check how your layout looks on mobile, since many contacts read on their phones. When your design looks the way you want, save your work. After saving, configure the key email settings. Add a compelling subject line that is clear, concise, and relevant to your audience. Then add an internal subject or name. This label is only for your team, helping you find and manage the email later. Now choose who should receive the email. Click Contact Segment and select the appropriate segment from your list. Be sure the segment you select matches your intent and that it has been built ahead of time with the right filters. With your audience selected, click the chosen segment to confirm, then save and close. Your design email is now ready, either to send as a segment broadcast or to drop into your campaigns, depending on the type you picked at the start.